Hello guys. Today we are going to look at the 9 things you must do after installing Kali Linux in your system. Step 1. Open the terminal. Start by updating your system. Type in the following command and hit enter. We will skip this process to the end. Step 2. Create a low-level user. Some applications should not be used as a root user. Type in the following command to create another user. I will leave the following as default by pressing enter. Step 3. Customize your desktop to your liking by right-clicking on the mouse, then select Desktop Settings. You can choose different varieties of wallpapers, with other settings which you can modify. It'll go with this wallpaper. Step 4. Install Python by typing in the following command and hit enter. That's it. We have finished installing Python. Now let's check our Python version. Step 5. Install GitHub by typing in the following command and hit enter. This will help us with cloning different projects from the GitHub repository. Step 6. Install Java by typing in the following command and hit enter. Step 7. Install Tor browser by typing in the following command and hit enter. Step 8. Install VLC by typing in the following command and hit enter. Step 9. Install Terminal Multiplexer by typing in the following command and hit enter. Now type tilix and hit enter to run the terminal multiplexer. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and hit the notifications bell when I upload new videos.